Hey, what's up, everyone? Join me for the best Jamaican lemon pepper chicken done the whimsical way. What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene. All right, guys, so in a frying pan I've added some oil. To that I've added some pegs of garlic, and I will add to that my seasoned well marinated chicken wings. Now guys, I will turn them over when they're golden brown, and this is what it looks like. I'm simply gonna remove this from the oil, guys. I'm just gonna add to that some vegetable stock, allow it to come to a boil, and then guys, just strain this on top of my fried chicken wings. All right, guys, so I'm gonna clean my frying pan, and in that same frying pan I'm gonna add some ginger, some assortment of onions, and I'm gonna add my carrots to that, guys. I then will add a cup of vegetable stock, guys, about 3/4 cups. I'm gonna add some scotch bonnet pepper to this, some cold butter, and a pinch of lemon pepper seasoning. I'm gonna add to that my chicken wings, guys, with the sauce from the frying pan. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, cover and allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, guys, the aroma in the kitchen is so inviting. I'm gonna nice this up, guys, by adding my tomatoes and some fresh onions, guys. I'm gonna add an assortment of bell pepper, guys. I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, guys. I'm gonna lower my flame and allow this to simmer for an additional 1 minute. Now let me take this moment to welcome my new subscribers and thank my loyal viewers and subscribers. Thank you for making it week after week. Remember to leave your comment in the comment section, and of course you can turn on your post notification bell and follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Now guys, as usual, it's time for my birthday celebrations and anniversary greetings. If you are celebrating a birthday, remember Wims loves, sees, and appreciate you. Extra special birthday greeting to my students Naika and Jean, my friend Orlando, Stefan, and colleague Dira. The food for thought comes to us from the meditation of David in Psalms 47 verse 1, when we are asked to shout unto God. You know why? Because He is in control. He will make our enemies our footstool, and we don't have to worry about our future because our inheritance is secured in Him. All right, my whimsical family, the meal is all done. I'm pairing this with some spaghetti, and then I'm gonna just garnish this with a little bit of parsley. Guys, just look at this. I can tell you this is divine. A little bit of secret, guys. I shared this with my neighbor and he requested the recipe. So once again, it's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. Love, 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 love. Mwah, love you. I'll see you next week.